Why is my SIM showing unusable SIM? So if you're facing an error of your SIM showing unusable SIM, or if you have no SIM or unusable SIM error on your screen, then it could be caused by various reasons, such as faulty SIM card, improper SIM card insertion, software glitches, or compatibility issues. To check your SIM, you need to first open up your settings and then go with your search. And under search, you need to search for SIM manager and check your SIM from there. You can also just simply go back and then tap on SIM cards and mobile network. And here, if you have a SIM on your device, then you just need to simply tap on the SIM, and then you can edit your SIM card name or your card number, or turn on any options that you've not turned on, and your SIM will be activated, or it will show SIM available. Make sure that the SIM that you've inserted is good or not. If it's good and working, then it's okay. But if it's not working, then you can just simply go back and check all the security options. Sometimes you may have forgotten your PIN or password for the SIM, and it might be locked and it will be unusable. So you can simply disable it and you can use your SIM card. If this is not your problem, and if you've not done that, then the other option is you can just simply go with your search on your settings, and you need to search for locked SIM card. It might not be available in all of your Android devices, but if it's available, you need to tap on the lock SIM card or search for it, and make sure that this option is not turned on, because if you've locked your SIM card, then your SIM will show unusable SIM. So make sure that this is not turned on. If it is turned on, you need to just go and turn it off. If locking is not the problem with your SIM card, then I would suggest you to go back and take your SIM card out of your phone. And after you take out your SIM card, insert it very carefully and see if it works or not. But if it still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply call your SIM card provider from where you bought it and take a suggestion from them on how you can fix this issue. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.